In this video, I will show you a practical example of how to easily extract SAP data into a Postgres database. I've already built a small Pentaho ETL route, a small job. First, we create our target table in the PostgreSQL database. And then the job goes into another transformation. It reads the SAP data and will write it directly into this target database table. I will show you this now using an example, a table. Of course, the whole process can be fully automated and variable. So we don't do it for just one table, but rather that it is completely and fully automated for all these SAP tables I want to read from will then be done automatically. That means I have a template job here that I can apply to Excel tables. This greatly simplifies and automates the SAP extraction. In the meantime, we've loaded the garden. Let's take a quick look. We started at 241 and 18 seconds and read 100,000 rows within 4 seconds. So here too, in terms of performance, we can reading relatively large amounts of data from SAP quickly and writing it into a desired database.